Preparing for a meeting with Microsoft Whiteboard. Microsoft Whiteboard provides a great way to collaborate in meetings, and showing up for a meeting with a prepared whiteboard instead of a blank one can make your meetings more impactful and productive. To prepare a whiteboard for a meeting, simply open Whiteboard and select Create a new board. Then you can prepare your board using a wide range of whiteboard features, including templates, sticky notes, shapes, and much more. To share your board in a meeting, select Share. When the board picker appears, select the whiteboard. You prepared to open it for everyone in your meeting. You're ready to go. Now, everyone can collaborate on the whiteboard in the meeting and afterwards. Thank you for watching us.